बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
हरिओम नानकी लख लख वाधायूं। भगवान करे तव्हां 100 साल ताईं जियो ऐं जेको तव्हांखे अम्मा एॾो ज्ञान ॾिनो आहे इन ज्ञान जो भंडार तव्हां सभिनी खे ॾियो। ऐं हरिद्वार में जेको तव्हांजो स्थान आहे जिते हर साल वेंदा हुयो, भगवान करे उते तव्हां हिकिड़ो स्थान ठाहियो पंहिंजो ऐं सभिनी खे पंहिंजा वीचार पंहिंजा ज्ञान ॾियो। ऐं भगवान करे तव्हांखे ख़ुशियूं ई ख़ुशियूं हुजनि संसार में। ऐं कमल हाणे तव्हांखे विश करणु चाहींदी।
हैप्पी बर्थडे नानकी, गॉड ब्लेस यू। हर साल तव्हांजो बर्थडे असां मिस कंदा आहियूं, पर वीड लव टू बी देयर नेक्स्ट टाइम एंड
और इन जिनीवा
and wish you all the best of health and happiness. May you have 100 years.
जय गंगे मैया की।
Jai Gange.
Our special lady is turning only 8 and 0. Taro and I wish you joy forever. I consider you as my soulmate. That says it all. But I have to add how understanding, always smilingly giving and caring you are to everyone. You are La Jawab. Happy birthday, dear Nanki. Love you.
हरिओम नानकी, तव्हांखे लख लख वाधायूं हुजनि तव्हांजे हैप्पी बर्थडे जूं। गुरू करे सदाईं वधो, सदाईं ख़ुशि हुजो, गुरू वॾी हयाती ॾेव, सुख सां गुज़रे, सभु ॾींहं सुख सां गुरू गुज़ारे। हरिओम हरिओम।
Happy birthday, dear mommy.
Cheers. Happy birthday, mom. Wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you. You may see many, many healthy years ahead. Cheers.
My good wishes to you on your 80th birthday. May you have many, many more.
Hariom Nanki, many happy returns of the day, many more to come. God bless you and your family. Hariom.
Namaste Auntie, wishing you a very happy birthday, Salgira Mubarak, a year full of love, good health, happiness and prosperity. I miss you so much and I wish you were here so we could celebrate together. Looking forward to seeing you again in Geneva. Bye!
Okay. Hello Nanki, how are you? Happy birthday to you. Wish you a very happy birthday. And we have been wishes. And have been so many years we have been together, and so many good memories we have. Wish you a very happy and healthy birthday. Thanks.
तुलसी विला की शान प्रिय नानकी भाभी, आपको 8वीं वर्षगांठ पर कोटि कोटि शुभकामनाएं। आप इसी तरह अपने व्यक्तित्व से सबको प्रेरित करते रहें और सबका प्यार आपके साथ बना रहे। दीर्घायु हो, पुलकित रहें मारवा परिवार की ओर से।
नानकी, ओ नानकी, किथे है तू? अच त मां तोखे हिकु ॻाल्हि ॿुधायां, हली आ। वरी कॾहिं कंहिं ॻाल्हि न ॿुधाई हूंदई, हली अच। हा, अचे थी न?
हेलो नानकी, कहिड़ो हाल आहे? सभु ठीकु आहे न? कॾहिं हली अच। ओके।
Hi, Mom.
Hey.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mom.
We're sending you all the love and energy here from Israel. And love and energy can't be defeated by the COVID. So I hope you feel how much we love you and miss you. And it's just the most wonderful milestone you're celebrating today.
And Satabisha Kam Semremoni.
And we toast here in Israel L'chaim, which means to your life. So we'll toast the whole weekend, all of us, to celebrate your life. You're such an amazing lady. We miss you and love you. A huge happy birthday from us. Be well.
Nanki, it's your fault that Namrita is beautiful.
Noah?
Nanki, it's your fault that Namrita is generous.
Nanki, it's your fault that Namrita is so rude.
Well, you know it's all your fault anyway, so we love you very much and we wish you...
And happy birthday, the big kiss.
I love you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hariom Nanki, happy birthday. I went out shopping to find the perfect gift hamper. Something very special to make you feel pampered. But I realized nothing is better than the gifts from the heart. So here's my heart to you with lots of love and a special gift from Laveen, my son. Instead of Nari singing something for you, he will strum something for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marcy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
मैं कभी बतलाता नहीं, पर अंधेरे से डरता हूँ मैं माँ। यूं तो मैं दिखलाता नहीं, तेरी परवाह करता हूँ मैं माँ। तुझे सब है पता है ना माँ, तुझे सब है पता मेरी माँ। भीड़ में यूं न छोड़ो मुझे, घर लौट के भी आना पाऊँ माँ। भेजना इतना दूर मुझको तो, याद भी तुझको आना पाऊँ माँ। क्या इतना बुरा हूँ मैं माँ, क्या इतना बुरा मेरी माँ।
Very happy 80th birthday. God bless you with good health, happiness and long life.
God bless you with good health and wealth.
Happy
birthday.
Hello auntie, how are you? Happy birthday. God bless you. How are your kids? How about Rajesh, Mita, everybody? All are fine?
We love you, auntie.
We love you.
We miss you.
Miss you.
Hariom auntie, happy birthday. Wishing you a super year ahead and many, many more healthy, joyful years to come. Take care and God bless you.
Hello Nanki auntie, this is to wish you a very, very happy birthday. Wish you good health, happiness always. One of the most prettiest
ladies we have seen, and trust me, I had put my lipstick before, but the video got deleted. But I have done my little jewelry part of it. Okay, I know my Nanki auntie likes all that. Anyway, want to wish you very, very happy birthday. Also, now we want to sing a little song for you. Our आवाज is superb. You will love it. Okay. तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dearest auntie. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Auntie. I hope that you're having a wonderful birthday celebration with your family. We miss seeing you, and I have such fond memories of you visiting our house, and also the fact that you always welcome my family and my children into your house. They love spending time with you. I hope to see you soon, and have a wonderful birthday. Love, Ellen.
हैप्पी बर्थडे आंटी. भगवान से यह प्रार्थना करते हैं कि आप हमेशा स्वस्थ रहें. और आप सुंदर तो बहुत हो आंटी, इसमें कोई शक नहीं है, पर आपका स्वभाव इतना अच्छा है कि उसने आपके व्यक्तित्व को, आपकी पर्सनालिटी को बहुत निखारा है. तो मैं अपनी तरफ से एक गाने की एक लाइन आपको डेडिकेट करना चाहती हूँ. यही दुआएं हैं तेरे जन्मदिन पे, तुम मुस्कुराती रहो ऐसे ही जीवन में. हैप्पी बर्थडे आंटी.
आंटी जन्म ॾींहं जूं लख लख वाधायूं. हमेशा वांगुरु खुशहाल ऐं सेहतमंद रहो. इहा ई का दुआ आहे.
Happy birthday aunty. Happy birthday aunty once again. Thank you.
Happy, happy, happy birthday, Nanki auntie. You don't look 80 at all. Your kids get this beautiful gene from you, I'm sure. And I love you. I wish you all the very best in life. Best of health, best of everything. And what else can I say? Thank you for everything you have taught me. Especially the Sindhi dialogues, which none of your other kids say except me. And now I have a thing to tell Gautam that I've learned this from my Nanki auntie. Now bear with it, can't help it. And cheers to you being 80, beautifully 80. And I'll see you soon in Tulsi Villa. Bye.
Dearest Auntie, I take this opportunity to thank you for being there for us during our childhood years. You and Uncle made regular visits to Panchgani only to bring us joy and happiness, and not to forget the good food we got to eat because of your regular visits. You are a wonderful person, full of life and young at heart. We do look up to you for your wonderful, experienced advice. Wish you a happy 80th birthday. Wish you a long, happy, healthy life. Love you, Auntie.
Hello, Auntie. I wish I could have said this in person to you, but happy, happy, happy 80th birthday. At first, I thought you were turning 70, but then I realized that Rajesh is 55. I did some quick math, and I had to correct myself. Hope you have a terrific day, and I want you to know that you'll forever, ever be young in our hearts. We are really proud to have you as the matriarch of the Mulchandani family and Tulsi Villa. I really enjoyed our last conversation in March, learning about you, your family, your activities. I really hope to see you soon and continue the conversation, as I have much to learn from you. You know, for every kid, meeting movie stars is an extraordinary thrill. You took me to Rajesh Khanna's wedding. You took me to Raj Kapoor's house. And for those, I'll always be grateful. You helped me with my studies. You visited me in my boarding school. You gave me your wisdom, and you assisted me in my upbringing. For that, I'll always be thankful. I really hope you thoroughly enjoy this wonderful day, and I want you to know that there are a lot of people that love you, including me. So please take care of yourself, and I hope to see you soon in Mumbai. Take care.
Hello, Auntie. Hari Om. Lakha lakha vadhayu. A very, very happy birthday to you. You must be really surprised with this. Yeah, it's all Rajesh's mehnat. We all love you, Auntie. Have a nice time on your birthday. And also wish you a very, very happy Diwali. God bless you, Auntie, with good health. Urvashi, Path, everybody, all of us are wishing you a very, very happy birthday to you. We all pray for your good health and also a very, very happy Diwali to you. Okay, Auntie. Hari Om.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Many more years to come.
What she said. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Nanki auntie. Cheers. God bless you.
Happy birthday. Lots of love and best wishes.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Love you. Love you.
Thank you. Cheers.
दीदी हक़ मौजूद सदा मौजूद तव्हांखे जन्मदिन जूं करोड़ करोड़ वाधायूं साईं जी आसीस सदा तव्हां मथां बणी रहे तव्हां सदा ई खिलंदा ख़ुशि रहो ऐं तव्हां पंहिंजी आसीस असां सॼी संगत जे मथां वसाईंदा रहो ऐं असांखे सही रस्ते ते हलण जी रहबरी कयो हक़ मौजूद सदा मौजूद हक़ मौजूद सदा मौजूद हक़ मौजूद सदा मौजूद आमीन 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 हरि ओम
Happy birthday, Nanki. Happy 80th birthday, Nanki. Hope we look for a century of birthdays. When the COVID situation improves, we will have a party for you. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and take care of you and your family.
Happy birthday, Nanki. God bless. All the best to you. Happy Diwali.
and see you soon, and we'll have a party. All the best. God bless.
Happy Diwali to you and Rajesh and the family.
Happy birthday to you. May the good God bless you with lovely health and everything.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Nanki Didi. Happy birthday to you.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Nanki Didi. God bless you always and wish you many, many, many more happy birthdays. We thank God for giving you us in our life. You're always there for us, and thank you for all your blessings.
Happy birthday, Nanki Didi. Thank you for all the blessings and being part of our lives. All the best. Thank you.
Dear Mummy, wishing you a very, very happy 80th birthday. I'm probably one of the last ones to send you these messages, and I hope you get this message on time and you are at home with family seeing this message. मम्मी इसीलिए बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि आप सच में मेरी बड़ी माँ हैं, और मेरी माँ जिसने मुझे जन्म दिया है वो आपसे 3 महीने छोटी है और उसका 80th बर्थडे मार्च 2021 में है. सो उस तरह से भी आप मेरी बड़ी माँ हो गई. और आपके साथ जब भी मिलता हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि मैं मेरी माँ के साथ बैठा हूँ, और जिस तरह से मुझे आप डांटते हैं और बार बार टोकते हैं कि ये मत करो वो मत करो, ये क्लियरली एक मदरली फीलिंग आती है जब आप मेरे से बात करते हैं. हमारा परिचय कुछ 10-12 साल से है, और अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमारी मुलाकात ये अस्पताल में हुई थी, और आपकी अस्पताल हिंदुजा हॉस्पिटल में जहां मैं काम करता हूं वहां पे अपनी मुलाकात होती रहती है. और डैडी के साथ और आप सबके साथ इतना गहरा नाता मुझे महसूस होता है जब भी मैं आप लोगों को मिलता हूं. कुछ चीज मेमोरीज मैं बताना चाहूंगा, और मुझे लगता है कि सारे परिवार मेंबर्स इससे सहमत होंगे कि आपके जो 3 बच्चे हैं जिसको आपने जन्म दिया है.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happiest birthday to our rock star, most beautiful Nanki auntie. Your friend to any age group and anybody, a true mentor. Mrs. Always Right. God bless you with a very long, healthy, happy life. Stay blessed. Love you.
Good evening, Auntie, and wish you a very, very happy, sweet 60th birthday.
80.
You are really, I tell you, numbers don't matter. You are ever young, ever beautiful, ever most happening person that I know in my entire life, and wish you a super happy birthday. I'm having a drink on your behalf on your birthday. The toast is to you. Cheers. And this bill is coming to you. अभी बॉम्बे आऊँगा तो फिर आपको मेरे को पार्टी कराने है. शिवास का बिल मैं आपको देने वाला हूँ. Stay blessed always, stay happy, and we all love you.
80th birthday, Auntie. May God bless you always. You have a long and healthy life. Love you, Auntie.
Hi, Auntie. Best wishes for your birthday. Happy 80th birthday. God bless you always. Love you always.
Happy birthday, Auntie Nanki. Very big birthday, 80th. Fantastic. It was lovely to see you in Bombay, and hope to see you soon. Take care.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Love you. Waiting for Shira. We want to eat that, so we'll come and meet you soon. Take care. Love you.
Happy 80th birthday, Auntie. You've really been a great inspiration to all of us. Keep the spirit on so that we can follow your footsteps. All the best for many more birthdays to come. Love you.
मैं कभी बतलाता नहीं, पर अंधेरे से डरता हूँ मैं माँ। यूं तो मैं दिखलाता नहीं, तेरी परवाह करता हूँ मैं माँ। तुझे सब है पता है ना माँ, तुझे सब है पता मेरी माँ। भीड़ में यूं ना छोड़ो मुझे, घर लौट के भी आना पाऊं माँ। भेजना इतना दूर मुझको तो, याद भी तुझको आना पाऊं माँ। क्या इतना बुरा हूँ मैं माँ, क्या इतना बुरा मेरी माँ। जब भी कभी पापा मुझे जो जोर से झूला झूलाते हैं माँ, मेरी नजर ढूंढे तुझे, सोचूं यही तू आके थामेगी माँ। उनसे मैं ये कहता नहीं, पर मैं सहम जाता हूँ माँ। चेहरे पे आने देता नहीं, दिल ही दिल में घबराता हूँ माँ। तुझे सब है पता है ना माँ, तुझे सब है पता मेरी माँ। मैं कभी बतलाता नहीं, पर अंधेरे से डरता हूँ मैं माँ। यूं तो मैं दिखलाता नहीं, तेरी परवाह करता हूँ मैं माँ। तुझे सब है पता है ना माँ, तुझे सब है पता मेरी माँ।
C'est maman. Happy birthday, maman!
So happy birthday and all the best, and you're a survivor, so happy birthday
Yes,
twice.
we will be seeing you in Geneva.
Bisous.
Very
And she will be
soon.
seeing you tomorrow.
Ciao.
Bye.
Here. Hi. Hi.
Dear Daddy, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Clap, Navya. Clap. Clap.
अच्छा भाई काटो नहीं का बजा रही है. Happy birthday dear Dad. Yay!
Happy birthday, Daddy. Cheers. I love you very much.
Happy birthday, Dadi. Thank you for being everything that you are. You're the best grandmother in the world, and I can't wait to celebrate with you. Our hours and hours of conversations together and all the advice you ever give me is so very valuable. You teach me so much every day, and I can't wait to celebrate with you. Today is a special day, and I will always forever be your Krishkaro. Please, never stop loving me and never stop blessing me. Everything from you means more than just the world. I love you.
1, 2, 3, say. I love you. Like this, kiss you. Happy birthday, dearest Daddy. I love you so much. You are my biggest confidant, my best friend, and the coolest Daddy out there. There couldn't be a younger, more hip, more fashionable, and more open-minded grandmother in this world. Cannot wait to take you to the terrace for all those extracurriculars that you so want to do. I think your 80th birthday is the perfect time for this. And this special day with this special person, and I'm so happy I could be a part of your day and your life, and I'm honored and privileged that my children have got the opportunity to know you and have got the opportunity to experience having a great grandmom like that. And Navya and Niara, love you so much. Thank you for everything you do for us. I love you, Daddy. Happy birthday.
Daddy, I love talking to you. You are very special to me. Just as a secret, you're my most favorite person in Tulsi Villa. Wish you many more.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my bestest mommy in the world. My best friend, my confidant, my soul. My hero, my psychologist, like Ajay called you, because if I don't talk to you, then I'll have paid so much money to all the psychologists outside. But yeah, and my most favorite word for you is my little Buddha. You're the best. Thank you for being you. Thank you for always being there for all of us. We love you. We miss you. And we wish you a very happy birthday.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Nani.
And
we can't wait to see you soon.
And that's it.
And I love you so much, Nani. You're the rocking Nani, and we had great times in the trips that we went to in the past.
Fantastic. And yes, you are a rocking Nani. You're super rocking, I must say. And that was the adjective we missed, but Karman added it. You're the rocking Nani. We love you, we miss you, and we wish you a very happy birthday. And here is a song from Karman to you. Mamacita. Mamacita, mamacita, qué bonita, mamacita.
Happy birthday, Nani. Your namkeenest grandchild. Cannot wait to be with you soon. Love you, miss you.
Happy birthday, Nani. Miss you. Hope you're having the best day. We have to celebrate all together soon. You should come stay with Nitya and me in our apartments in New York, and we can celebrate here. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mantriji.
from your favorite place, the pool house. Come and have fun here. We're all waiting for you, but don't bring your cash bags. Happy birthday, happy 80.
Here's wishing my rockstar mama a very happy 80th birthday. There's a rumor that you're 80, but do you believe it here?
No
80?
way.
Nani?
80? She's not a day over 40.
Oh my god. Absolutely in mind and spirit. She's one with Navya, the same age when she giggles and plays with her. She's one with her all, blends with all her youngster kids.
And all her grandkids, there for everyone.
She's a guide and a force and a confidant and a psychologist to all her mental other kids.
The true therapist Nani. Instead of Dr. Phil, they should have Dr. Nani.
That's true, Dr. Nani. She dons so many hats actually here. She's Dr. Nani, she's Mantri Nani, and she's Nani Ma, Nanki Devi, who is being all the time admired and sought after by all her friends and her satsangis. They love her and they admire her. All of them call her to ask her advice, and they always want to involve her in all their family and life matters. That's amazing how much she gives back to the world.
I love you, Nani.
And this lady is now turning 80. It's so hard to believe. She's so young in heart and so full of life and exuberance. She loves everything. She wants to be part of everything. She wants to hear all our gossip. She calls us up and says, then what happened?
To the most loved mother-in-law, wish you a very happy 80th birthday. Cheers! You're an inspiration to all of us with your positive attitude and your go-getter attitude. You're admired by one and all as you show your care to all the loved ones and people around you. You inquire, you sit with us, you ask about what's happening in everyone's lives, and you also share your experiences and lots of good wishes around us which go around. Your faith in the Lord also restores our faith in humanity and the Lord Himself. So, wishing a very special and a lovely, lovely person a very happy 80th birthday, and wish you many, many more special moments as we go along. Take care. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mom. So this is a very, very special wish for you because it's your 80th and you look fabulous at 80. You're the ever beautiful, lovely person that you are. It's just that you give an exuberance and a light which just shines above it all. And for me, you're a very, very special person because you have been my support for the last 32 years that I've been married. You're my go-to person. Any little problem I have and I go talk, I'm here with it. And I know I always have your support no matter what happens against whoever. I know you always support me. And I mean, I'm tearing down because I really feel touched about how you always have stood by me against all odds. And I always know that you always present me in such good light to the world or to the people, and that means a lot to me. And I always know I have you at the back of me, even if it means being against your family or anybody else. So that means a lot to me. And I always say to myself, you're the mom I've lived with longer than my own, and I'm the daughter you've lived with longer than your own. So we have something special between us, and I hope it always goes on. And God bless you with 1 billion more years because you're wonderful and I love you and I wish you the best in life always. Take care.
Hi Mom, wish you a very, 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 very happy birthday. 80th, it's a milestone. And you've come through a long way to come to this fabulous day of yours in life. I know you've been through a lot past few years with Dad not being around and so much happening. You still have stayed strong. You still have stayed right there like a pillar for us. And you've never let us feel that void. There's so many memories that I share with you, so many things that you've taught us, and such good values that if I start listing them, it'll be endless. Time will not permit us. But to cut it short, I must say that I love you and I will always be here for you. I know you have equal amount of love for all of us and you will always be here for us. We have our ups and downs, but that doesn't mean anything at all. The bottom line is that we love you immensely and unconditionally. And that love will never change. You've been a great mom. You've been a great friend. You've been someone that I always run back to. That's someone that I always fall back upon. And I will keep doing it. So be there for us. We love you. May you have many, 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 many more such beautiful years to come and such wonderful milestones to cover. So have a happy birthday and enjoy your day. I love you. Take care. Bye.
Bhabhi Nanki, God bless you. Many, many happy returns of the day. It's your 80th, but as you know, in Vedic, after the age of 50, you have to start calculating backward. So you are sweet, pinky, 20 years of age. If somebody is asking me, is someone pinky available? So I can recommend. Okay? I hope you don't mind this. Let me take back, I had known you and first met you in 1994 at ISKCON, when you came along with your pretty daughter Namrata, and I came with my nephew Ajay. So the first when I saw, I said, who's the girl? So whether it is Namrata or Nanki. So I found you in 94, you were more charming, more smarter than Namrata, and I immediately told Ajay when we went back home that immediately say yes, Namrata will be a pinky after the marriage, though she was not pink like her mother, but she will become. And let me say, today Namrata is Australian apple, and Nanki, you, Bhabhi, you are still Emry, Kashmiri, small, sweet apple.
Pink apple.
Want to add something?
Yeah, I think Nanki auntie is a most unique person. She emotes a lot of love and affection in the way she speaks. And first of all, I love her name, Nanki. It sounds so cute. And I love her Karela that she sends us, that you send us, and your cereal bread is out of this world. So I'm looking forward for you when are you going to send me again? I'm waiting and waiting now. So get well soon and send me these two things immediately. And I wish you all good success, good health, the best of health, and the best of everything life can offer you. Happy birthday, happy 80th birthday, and live long, live well, be safe and happy.
Happy birthday, Auntie. I'm so glad to hear that you're feeling better and you're back home. Mom took it away. I was really thinking, literally waiting on the side, saying that I can't wait to celebrate with you with sail, bread and cake. So I look forward to seeing you very soon and celebrating with you. Happy birthday.
And the dosa joint that you go to.
Yeah, Cafe Madras. I can't wait to go there.
Okay, let me add to the conclusion of our message to you. Let me add, you are very soft-spoken, you are polite, you are humble, and you are sweet little pie of mine. Pinky, pinky, sweet pinky. Thank you. God bless.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये